I got a bitch off Bama, I call that hoe camel toe, cause everything she wear, you can see that fucking camel toe. Bitch soft as a camel toe, when I say she be tripping, cause she smoking on them camels though. I don't really know her like that, but I just come through maybe once a week when she sleep, I be going in her purse. She said we do the freak, we ain't about to do shit. About to go up in your purse and see what you holding right quick. I need them chips, bills gotta be paid. I ain't pimping, I'm just walking with that tool, that's why I'm limping. That motherfucker heavy than the motherfucker. I need another soldier strap on my waist. Really? Niggas trying to go hard while you trying to save face. Don't leave where you're hot. Niggas just call it mace. Place to return where you came back to. All them niggas knew, so they looking like, who was you? I miss my city, love my city. Going back and forth, Short Street, 223, you know I'm at 433, 21, 33, 21, 33, 23. Made it to the shotgun, put the whole side together, knocking on the walls. I be back on Fern Street, motherfucker, we can ball. I wish they open Streamline. Yeah, I remember Streamline, the people thought the same, but you gotta keep your fucking eye. Small fry getting it. Niggas shooting fucking food, that bitch is like a roach house. But still on the cool, that was like the spot though, where them OGs hang. Niggas put that thing in your hand until you go bang. Back when they had club full moon, niggas going hard tripping on that Weatherspoon. You know that Weatherspoon that turned a real nigga into a soft nigga and a bitch nigga to a goon. Real shit, nigga, real shit. Dirt time, homie.